Deja. Deja. So massive. Deja. Tarrus Riley, rude boy. Wanna pray that one now. I fear her daughter. You understand? Deja she name. See they get used to the name. It's song name rude boy.
What?
Good.
Canada money.
Cheese and peas. What's it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But Jamaica walk by massive. Wanna see how she heavy? Cheese and peas. Heavy like a lead. Heavy like a lead. Watch it. Big man.
I want to believe this. Great big man, I look like.
Me don't say about, since you say all of that, me don't say about 63.
You get to twin and I want to 63, you get them.
When you're 63, you get youth?
No, my breed you man 2022. And breed you man 2022. And the girl them born in the entire April, 2023.
Okay, now
I got Canada, them are 3 years around 3 months around 3.
Okay, now want this man?
I want to tell me so when I'm
So you how much you know?
60, you almost get to the quiet. 67.
67?
Yeah.
Hey,
1958 man.
You don't know man enough?
Yeah, 1958 man.
You don't know man a blows?
Can't say she not try all I hear them must not focus but my people is a kind of good. No country but clean.
Yeah, man,
everywhere clean.
I saw them. Me never go Canada yet still, but me hope we go there go just to see it.
Me not even like I Jamaican can qualify can go there and see.
Yeah.
When you people say clean, a reality clean.
Clean.
Alright, every yard clean. Like say yesterday don't say and so clean. Whole city clean.
Yeah, everywhere clean.
Clean and pretty like
and cold.
So come in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. Who shall live in Africa, oh Africa, yes.
Big up and respect to everybody who actually joined the video right now and I hear my voice. Blessings and love always. You see me I say? So right now I don't know as you can see the title. This is Millennium Plaza in Mineral Heights. And that's how we are started from. So right now is actually the side gate or the back gate we stand up. You see me I say? No joke, no doubt. And center camera is where we're going to walk. You understand? And this is Curatoe Hill. You see me I say? So we're going to walk at Curatoe Hill today. You see me I say? So this video actually in need of I want to surprise one of my friends, you know what I mean? Big up to Diane. Diane actually there in Jamaica. You understand? Not the Diane that I did a video with before a while ago. But this is actually a friend of mine. You understand? And she have a big singer daughter. You understand me? So I couldn't know about the big singer daughter what she have. You see me I say? So we're going to walk Curatoe Hill. So if you just join the video, please me I beg if you start like the video. Please drop some comment if I hear a place. This is Curatoe Hill and this is Millennium Mall right at the entrance of Curatoe Hill. And we're actually at the back gate. See, now we're gonna make our way up to Curatoe Hill. So this is actually in Maypen, Clarendon, in the Mineral Heights area. So I'm gonna be doing a video of Mineral Heights. The scheme itself where people live and them things. So I'm gonna do it from the roundabout, go towards Mineral Heights and go in the scheme so I can see how the place look, the vibe look and everything. Alright? So that's why I start this one from right here, so because you know what I mean, it makes sense we do overback a lot of spots where we actually do before. See? So big up and respect. And as Mr. remember, you can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. Let's have a conversation in the comment section of the video. I don't know when to start watching it, please I'm asking you to like the video. See? So Curatoe Hill is actually a place where I normally forward from small. You know what I mean? There's a church up there. An apostolic church that my family go to. You know what I mean? The Baker family, big up until little. You see me I say Stacy, Tia and thing. It's called the Curatoe Hill Refuge Temple. We're gonna walk past that church too as well. But let's see. Let's show you exactly what Curatoe Hill look like in our time in Maypen. See? Yeah. So big up to everybody. It's not a narrating video, we don't really talk and all of them things about it. You don't know, we just go and get some information on the intro. So stay tuned, watch the video, and I hope you enjoy this one. See? Mad love, mad respect, let's go. So the road here on my right hand side is actually the road leading towards Glenmore Road, Four Pass and all of them places there. Like you're going to Mandeville and things, you see me? Yeah. So I'm with the right over here, so on the left. Let's go. So this is the Mineralite Baptist Church. See? The Mineralite Baptist Church on my left. As we move through. Alright, time to go up a little grader. It's a nice sort of vibe and thing. This place is not one of the loud places, them are bunch of things. The place is just easy, you know. More like on the rural side. You know, crowdy or a chuck up or none of them things. Just that's easy. See, this is silent. So you see my little friend I know, she have some little spot around there where she always just easy. Once they light and she there Jamaica, she will go find her on one of them spots. They not ask you. I tell her if I run a one of her friend, where you know when I lane in run a slim lane there, you go find her right on the front. You understand me? I hope so she there on the front. We can actually get a little vibe because I'm all thirsty already, want all the water and all of that. So there's a shop out there where you can find her. Well, she just kick it and just a bill. Once she there Jamaica, I know so she not there. By the time I see that video, she cut out already. Still. But you know what I mean? I fear her little ends that and thing where she and her G them will a little vibe. So right I say I have Curatoe Hill Early Childhood Institution. Yeah man. Nice. Alright, so coming up to the church me that telling you about, which is Curatoe Hill Refuge Temple. You see me? Yeah. It's a church where my family them go to for many years. Yeah. Holy heap of cow. So yeah, this is the church. Nice and easy. Refuge Temple. Beautiful church. Not one of the biggest church, but yeah. So we right down a square a little bit. So we're gonna take a left here. You see me, that side of here ends. We'll walk. Not true? Amen. That is it. Let's do it like this, man. So them videos are for the persons them who want to really see Jamaica other than seeing the city and you know where you can see which people actually live and relax. A lot of persons say these videos or these places remind them of Africa. You know, a lot of Africans say Jamaica remind them so much of Africa, the way of life, the way how we build houses, the way how we set up shops, and overall the entire attitude. You know, so I hear our voice from way down there, so it sound like she up there for you. Yes man. So no joke, no doubt. So let's do it like this. Yeah man. Let's go. I can't hear her mouth. But I'm telling her, say, yo, I have a surprise here. And I tell her, say, I go forward, but I not tell her when I come. Because I know, say, she had there yard for them couple days. Yeah. You see me, I say, because she jump in the Jamaica, she link video, I say, yo, make sure say you could do a walk of my little community, you know, and sit in and say, yo, I forward, man, but I not tell her when. But I fear her ends up here, so I hope say she up there. But then from a bossy corner, I hear her mouth, cause so she programming, you know, man. You understand? I fear her. When she the fear place, but she loud. You understand? Cause them type of vibes. Watch her. I'm not trying to make you see me. Hold on. I see that over there, so. No, say fear more to the always have to about Jesus, peace. Manners and respect. Manners and respect. Let me not tell us I'm here forward.
Yeah.
And look here now.
Who you running in? Go on, with
Blessings and love, Bobby. That's the all I drop before. So we are David.
What me
outside. Fire y'all live so the browning.
Yes, sir.
Jesus, his life no good.
Good.
Most likely, you know.
Hey, she look like a fear, you know. Careful, you know.
Yeah, Jamaicans.
Diane Wab.
Boy, me die, and I son, you know, me die.
Christ, that's so damn
So, you see me?
all I teach her, they but no good.
Yeah, man.
But as a respect, man. Yeah, come in, me thirsty. Come in, I overshot this.
You know, say I want you name Japo Shop.
When you?
Japo.
Japo.
Yeah.
I feel your place and everybody.
Yes,
Manners.
Go on, yes, I'm a grow.
Oh, teacher.
Yeah.
Hey, good body in my place. Jesus, peace.
Nice, sexy.
It look like you're forward from Canada with a couple more sexiness. Watch out. All of me walk by my see them, no look good on a man.
Yeah, really.
They look good. Jesus, peace.
Yeah, just
one
like that.
Diane.
One Diane.
Yeah.
Yeah, one Diane. Deja mother. One Diane.
Yeah. How would I shop? My friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, big one water then. You have room temperature water? Yeah, big one room temperature water. How for this? I make it pause 1 second because you know.
Give me one
skill
water
dig up
too.
yourself.
What
Oh
you
my
say, Kota?
word.
What not drink? Give me one dragon to Panda Billion.
Blows and
What you want?
skirt.
Hot beer, hour? 2 hot beer. You don't know. When time me come around, I have to make sure
Jesus
some my people them
Christ.
good enough.
Glad to see you though.
I'm glad to see
It's
you.
been a while. Where you singer there?
You sing and you know say she not Canada though.
She gone back up?
She gone back home.
I mean that look to see her, you know.
She just come here to come chill out a little bit because you know Canada well cold
So wait, I
now.
mean you gotta wait pan man to make sure say you can
look
buy at
so.
the bar.
Yeah.
So Massive, let me tell you who this is. So this is Diane, a very good friend of mine, you know what I mean? She have a bad singer daughter. You understand her name Deja. She also have a song with Tarrus Riley called Rude Boy. You know what I mean? Yeah. Where your phone? Do you have a phone?
Yes.
Come here, I'm gonna make you play a piece right, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Room temperature water. Oh, you know what I mean?
You want piece
Cheese and peas, like I made a wait pan man for Shelly Bar.
I want this of my family.
Tell us, I nah make you know when me a forward, you know, see it? Me there, I know for your ends. But you have to make it thing natural, man. You have to make it thing nice.
I say you always are running for me, but
Figure that. Oh, you mean? Oh, my
I
teacher, manners and respect. Yeah, man. Should
Should
have 2 more artists in a Curatoe Hill.
Yes, me not
see.
a band Kenny.
See, Deja. So Massive. Deja. Tarrus Riley, Rude Boy. Wanna pre that one now. I fear her daughter. You understand? Deja she name. See, they get used to the name. The song name Rude Boy. You understand? Listen to piece I tune. See, on the video, see the look. Extreme Arts.
See that? Love me low.
Yeah, what's that? Yes. Yeah. What?
Stay on my mind. I saw me setting.
You have a dance, your daughter sit down, you mean? Hey. Oh, you mean? Yeah, let me tap in because you don't know Deja, we can't pay for this, you know.
No, sir.
You understand?
Copyright, no.
That is it. So right there, so you have Tarrus Riley and Deja. You understand? No joke, no doubt. See there? Rude boy. Figure that pause it, man. So yeah. I'm sorry, say Deja never there. Deja gone, but that means I'm late. So watch out. Alright, so Deja, how long now Deja do music?
Deja sing from she about 8-year-old, you know. Really, you know.
So you know, say if I find them time they just tell us, say, can I have a
When
singer?
I see she do certain things, I'm saying, yeah, that one I follow my footsteps, you know, because me love the party and the singing, you know, for me, a little girl, you know. Yes, and for them, when she come to the career, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey girl, can I sing your frig?
Yeah, man, bad man, him bad like what? A cappella give to him and he just done it.
Done it.
Yes.
Me say yo, so that song they shoot by Extreme Arts Massive. So big up to Tarrus Riley, no joke, no doubt. You know what I mean? The whole of we in the pan shoot a whole of vibe and I get the video shot the right way, edit the right way, nice. The video out, you name Deja and Tarrus Riley, rude boy. You know what I mean? A Deja mother this.
Yeah man, so, Deja pretty mother, yeah.
Speed roll.
Pretty mother. Man gifted, yeah.
So you don't know she run from Canada out of ice. So she there cool out. But you soon come back.
Yeah man, me soon gonna again, but you know as me want to come back again. So we have to do the right thing.
Yeah, you need to sit down and chat man a reason. One idea we have got name to food man and sitting in the family, not
just
true?
Just like that.
Cheese and peace. So Curatoe really run. The place look nice and subtle, whole heap of vibe up here.
Yeah, and the people them good in our home line. You don't know me, everybody always get along.
Yeah.
When them see me it's like a sunshine.
Yeah, cause I realize you know so from my bossy corner down there some hear your mouth, you know.
Yes, I mean that. They don't know me and I just vibes with you all the
Like a 4 o'clock you wake.
Yeah, for 4 o'clock this morning, yeah. I just vibes me again. I just love everybody and treat everybody with respect.
Yeah.
That I did for a long time. You understand?
So we are the look about. Me know say you must have
I want all it at home tonight.
All it.
You don't know, cause I love all music. But I'm going to go and be like, I'll cook some soup. My friend them come check me, I just sit down and laugh and talk to you yesterday till we're ready to go up and go again.
Cheese and
you can't stay one place, put their hat.
Put their hat? Yes. So what's it with then I Curatoe area? We just walk through nice community. You call it Slim Lane?
Slim Lane, yes.
Slim Lane, but you thick?
Me a thickers. All me left me slim.
The teacher hear that? It is Slim Lane, but she thick.
But me thick.
Road.
Road like what? Canada money.
Cheese and peace. Okay.
Yeah man.
You go on.
One day. Like Canada money. Yeah man.
As a matter of fact, you know say, since you are there so, we are going to go down in the lane. You understand? Because me not done the video yet. And thing. Oh, you're not pay yet. You can pay in the circle. You know, your ends are if you want to pay now. You understand? Yeah. Me teach an artist now about. You look like an artist, you know.
But you know, say artist about hard man and he's sick. Remember me tell you, man.
When name?
Artist.
When there?
In down here, he catch bad flu.
Oh, Joe.
Yeah, man. He come check me last night, man, and show me saying weak out.
Deja, no. So yeah.
Else in put on one pine
yeah.
Yes.
Nice to spot this door in our community. You know what I mean? Serve the community well. You can call a hardware in there. Yeah, man. That is it. So why she did they go and pay for them thing there? You know what I mean? Nice to go vibe. You have a general them sit down right so I go and easy back and thing. As I say, we just a walk, you know, so we're not normally a whole heap of talking from where we coming, we just a show the place and things. So we're on Slim Lane, yeah, Curatoe Hill. I say a place silent and nice, people them just subtle and go and hold a little energy. My little friend there, so Diane, Deja mother, big singer mother. Yeah, man. Big up my friend them from Canada. Big up all of my Jamaica walk by Massive them right across the world. Where's the Massive? She look good. Oh, you mean? Nice, like a bigger man.
Yeah. We say,
oh, you mean? Yeah, man, cause we not done. We just a walk here.
Them man have foundation around here, you know.
I mean, for you, big up and respect, man.
You see me?
You have to seal it, you have to seal it, you have to seal it. Respect, bro.
Yeah. Alright? Yeah.
Hey, you're easy, you know. A real alien.
Yeah, man.
Oh, my water that? Yeah. Soon take.
Who is the ball? You ball?
My ball, me not make him ball. Yeah, but Jamaica walk by Massive, when I see how she heavy. Cheese and peas, heavy like a lead.
Yeah.
Heavy like a lead. Watch it.
Born and grow.
That's why I never got support the artist. Not say artist looking, the artist nice, you know, pretty girl, you know. Yeah, where she said she petite. Cheese and peas. Yeah. So we're there in a Slim Lane. Nice and easy. Massive Jamaica nice, yeah man, and we just have to make it best of it. And I mean, encourage all that.
Every day.
Yeah, man.
And when you travel and come back, you realize I know Jamaica nice.
Right now, a place a freeze over, so not true.
And look here. Big snowstorm all today, school shut down and sitting.
In Canada?
Yeah, man. This morning I should call me and say, Mommy, look what I'm come up come deal with.
Mighty to her.
Yeah, man.
And nice to go farm, so you have to raise them cattle, you know. You know what I mean? Blouse and skirt. I mean, massive, we just do some different kind of video where we are walk through some different places. Many people not really walk or get a chance to see. You see me I say? Yeah. Them life, yeah, we actually in a Clarendon if you never know. If to all I massive them we are watch and you don't know a Clarendon. So as you can see, we're up on a rural era type of vibe, you know. To me always them places are always just nicer. You understand? Yeah. No heap of rushing and bustling and traffic and choke up and none of that. Yeah, what Junior Gang says set up shop. So everywhere you're looking at Jamaica nowadays, you know, you have to set up shop, run a little business. Can sell some chicken down here, so you sell some snacks and things up there, so and you just go through. I want over here, so this is what them do, just a billy?
No, them billy and top billy.
Look like I want jerk sentence in that one over here, so. See, I set up nice. Hey, back in the days, we used to race goat, you know. Cheese.
One could kill them pretty.
I want the hardest life.
And you know, say dear though.
I couldn't manage it. I manage it, you have to wake up and carry goat and go tie them out. And you come from school, you have to go find them back. Jesus and peace are the hardest thing, man. Slim lane. Place nice, man. Me just a show how the place look. I'm a good body friend here. One Diane.
One die. Yeah.
Yeah. Mama vibes woman this side massive. I tell you no, straight. If you want to have fun in a Jamaica, man, and them woman you need to go with.
Yes, sir.
That dog, and the dog.
Them me dog them, you know.
Peace.
Anywhere me there, you want to look which part there.
Peace. What's that? So down here, so now, I never walk thus far yet, you know. Yeah, I normally forward another lane now with me a little youth because I see church out this up on the front.
Yes.
And that's where my family then going now.
Okay.
Yeah. The baker them out there then go, man.
Deja, I'll go this go mad and win already.
Oh, in our younger days?
Right now that church out there, so they have summer school.
Cha no.
Yeah, man, and sing and go on with a bag of things.
Hey, I want right, I can't, I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, that one there, man. What they call it?
Come in for your left hand side, so.
I must say Curatoe Pentecostal, I think.
I say name?
I say name? The one right there, so. Refuge Temple, one right there, so yes. Yeah. It said one.
We're opening that lane here. That's how I chill most of the time.
Yeah. Go them outside.
Right up in there, so I have a chill spot.
No doubt.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, man. Boy, me I tell her, Deja. Bad artist, massive. So me I tell her about Deja right now. Listen, Rude Boy, big song, it song. Tarrus Riley. Oh, teacher, manners and respect. You understand? Get used to her name. Honestly, I know why I want to support her. I don't know, say Deja, I'm a G. I know, say Deja, mother, I'm a big woman friend. You understand? No joke, no doubt. My vibes master.
You don't know.
Oh, yeah.
You don't know that.
Them little ends here in a Clarendon.
Yeah, man. One way in and one way out, so you know you can't violate.
You can't come and so come violate, you're mad. And I hear about Curatoe. Cheese and peace, me always love the little ends here, them ends here. You so when you grew up and you live them a place are the nicest life you have. Yes, man. Nicest life you have. You hear her attack? I'm afraid of camera.
I'm afraid of camera.
Yeah, man.
I was going to go for my friend home. And we cook and laugh.
Right, so I just all the day more can spend up right now.
Yeah, relaxing.
When they there say you don't worry about no snow.
No, sir.
So massive, watch out now. You see them dog, yeah?
Follow back one
them dog, yeah? Tell me, from you see them, you know their name. You're Blackie and Brownie. Yeah, no joke.
Debbie!
She a call my Alfred.
One time.
Hey, she, you don't tell me, see, so she go inside of. Jesus, please. Hey, what's up?
Why cheer then? Let me cheer, come give me. Put me up and push me off.
Big up and respect.
Ever been here before?
Yeah. Walk up and look at you.
Go and see the fire.
Refuge Temple Church out there, so I normally go there and sit and family and still go there. I'm the YouTuber now, Jamaica walk by. Baker them. Randy, then I'm my cousin that man. Him born the 12, me born the 13. Yeah man. That means Auntie Little. Auntie Little and wife and my mother's sister.
Okay.
Yeah man. Yes. Oh, Stacy. Stacy, Tia.
Come up here. Now come up here, man.
I write one when I don't do the blood clot today, I want to interview.
Yeah.
You mean what we tap him? I didn't know if you know put them in funny. My interview, Curatoe. But we have to be a good thing we can, you know.
What?
Yeah man, so with Jamaica walk by, what we do, we just walk through the community them, you know, see what go on, town, every little thing, all a nice little energy. You know what I mean? If people have business, they showcase the business them and all of that. Bunch of things. Oh, my drive so like I want to come vibe my style. You can't chat man.
You know good job, you know bumbo clock.
Yeah.
You look decent.
See man clean after that.
Cousin.
Are your cousin?
Yeah, blood cousin. See my grandfather, see my grandmother and see my grandfather, brother and sister. Jimmy! Him
Jamaica walk.
No, Deja, you see Deja videos,
yeah.
you boy, I am doing it. So, but you have been one or somewhere.
Jamaica walk by. Walk through community and just reason. Yeah. So I'm there with my friend today, I go and make sure show me around, walk one in a Curatoe.
And talk up with things.
You know what I mean? Yeah. We're there.
Yeah, Deja cousin, you know.
Deja cousin?
Yeah.
Big singer cousin?
Yeah.
You can sing too?
No.
You don't do nothing?
You can pray.
I not sing, I pray, I preach.
You preach?
I encourage.
Yeah man, they encourage some people tonight right across the world.
Yes.
Yeah man. So you do motivational speaker, you do like chairman and anything?
Yeah, I do weddings, sir, I host events.
Oh, they can talk to me about that man. Yeah, how we can get here and who want to do those things. Yes man.
I'm the accountant, the chief accountant.
Yeah, so what's your name again?
Javan is the name.
Javan.
Javan.
Yeah, again.
Blessings.
Yeah, man. So you can talk about things. So you do all of them good things there. Your vibes master. Because from your father and where you drive, I say, I must look at vibes master this to your approach. Yeah, man. So, so how them reach up on social? How social media go?
Javan Roden, Facebook, Instagram.
Yeah.
And I have a party coming up, Legacy Reload, March 14, Tapasal. Right after coming from Kingston, exiting the highway at the first exit, right at Mineral Lights. Yeah. On your left, it's on the hill.
On the hill, right up the sun.
Right there. And nice. Hosted by Jersey Doll and Eels On. Eels On from Canada, Jersey Doll from the States. Right up a Money and Clean.
Make sure
March 14, my birthday. Come and celebrate with the king. And you know the artists are going there. One Deja, never two. That is it. Also, if you want for me to host events, I'm available. You can reach my manager at 658-212-6182.
Figure that.
And have bookings done.
Hey, from me see you are react when time I forward and I know say I want vibes man I forward, you know. Yes man. So Yeah, man, that I'm afraid, man. No joke, no. You see what I say?
Then full of wig though.
Every minute in here, and in a new year upon the head.
Year upon the head, full of wig.
Every minute in change hairstyle. So far how the place are going. The place seems nice and settled.
Yeah man, the place are up and running, you see.
Yeah, I love that, man.
Yeah man, my little ranch this, you see.
I go on easy.
Yes man.
Life is comfortable and things. If you're not sick and you have your health, you have all wealth.
Yeah, no, the touchy one later gonna work still, but you have to rest your body from now.
Yeah, rest a good body.
Yeah, good up body, yeah.
Figure that. But yeah, man, I just walk through me the whole heap of videos. If you're new to the channel, you can check it out, man. We do walking videos in a Maypen, Kingston, right across the world.
Anybody ever hear this?
No, you know. You understand? I say we do drone shot music videos. I shall tell about Deja video and things. So most of them things about my YouTube channel is just like we walk through community, show the natural vibe, the natural ambience is here. Yeah, like people when they are foreign and I see all them places for a long time, get a chance to see.
Sister Pet from Florida.
Say it again, Sister Pet.
Big up my sister Pet, Petisha, only one pet, no other, no two. And Moisha, oh my God, my daughter up and running.
Yeah.
The price bull. Yeah.
Jesus.
Go again, wash it a long time, touch on earth and touch a place after washing if you come. Come down, wash.
Jamaica walk by.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah, man.
That is it, man. And them look them in love.
Running.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So, say big up all the people them from foreign, all of them look at things.
Now.
When have they?
Florida.
Oh, in Florida too?
Yeah, pit in Florida.
But look like you're soon gone too.
If you tell you about it.
I mean.
Big up my brother Kirk. My brother Bones that Cayman Island, you see it. One Lenky around here. No
What name? Lenky?
Yeah,
never
football
remember near Lenky to you know.
Footballer man, Lenky.
It's a big baller.
Yeah, big baller.
You got that,
yeah,
man. Oh, Joe.
Up and running, you see it.
What's your name again?
Only one Debbie.
Debbie.
One Debbie.
One Debbie alongside Mama Ilzan, aka Deja. Now what do you?
AKA Debbie.
Straight out of Toronto, Canada, you know. Represent my daughter Deja, you know. Oh, I'm not going to listen to this song, man. I'm going to tell you. Rude boy. We do Tarrus Riley. How what you chat about? One Ilzan. Yeah. Me a pen and no play a pen. And that's where I come from. Yeah.
Figure that.
One real one. Listen to me. We are flying for that big party on March 14, you know. Right, that's our money and clean, you know. All of Canada, me a drought in this one, you know. And that, me I tell you, you know. People from East, West, North and South have to represent.
Figure that.
Say? Big up Jamaica walk by, then can't stop that. Him there everywhere in New York, me see him to back. Everywhere in there, so you don't know if you represent.
Are you going to put me up at Toronto, me forward? Just call you and say, look, you know, man, that makes why I said me a walk. You more, if me not get you for camera on Toronto, it don't make no sense.
It don't make no sense. Listen to me. And I alone, Fabian, and all the pound will come and me just dashing outside. Yeah.
Outside.
Out the road.
Outside. One
Curatoe. One Curatoe.
Nobody can't. We not come.
Nothing boy.
No tax no can come as a barnyard.
Yeah, we born and grow. Maypen, Clarendon. Yeah.
You go on, me don't know me how cut you out. You stay there.
But right tonight.
Yeah,
right
man.
Tonight, she has
big up my friend Lisa and Tati. There.
Oh.
And Garvey Massey, your Tati. Big up yourself. Gunners all the way. Lisa, one love. Unstoppable.
Figure
right,
that.
True.
Yeah. So we there and we just have all a vibe. Massive right head down, me say smile on my face. I soon come to the camera and I go reason and chat, you know. And sit. But down there so. I know so one day then down there so.
But most you see, people don't understand. We work. So some of them gonna work. But me there, cause me there on vacation, yeah. Born and grow Jamaica.
Then soon send you back up there in the ice, man.
Minus 22 all today, yeah. Can you imagine a scene? Look how Jamaica nice. Eh? Look how Jamaica hot and nice.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi, Messi.
Say hi.
Say hallelujah.
Wine for the girl,
yeah, when you're messy.
Yeah,
big
ball.
Some piece with the ball upon him already.
Wine for the girl, Messi. Come.
To the girl.
Look at girl.
Funny about him, no one shy.
Run.
Yeah.
But yeah, man. Big up and love, my friend. Like your energy, I love the vibe. Curatoe, you're nice.
We are going to Wildwood tonight,
Yeah, what, Wildwood?
Wildwood, that is a holy set tonight, soul food.
You want to go?
I like you, tell you, come with me.
What a dog name? And a blackie?
Blackie.
Well, a Blackie name and Brownie. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, if you don't know where I go down the right, that's, I know, so I don't walk, go down that spot there. Like if to go towards Woodley, I go show them that little route there. Going down, I probably just end it up. Me, I go through still, auntie. So, come in. Yeah, we are walk go there, so. And thing. Right back in front there, so, man. And think, I make you.
No, I want to go on the new highway. I want to show you.
Yeah, I go walk go there, so. But me go do that. But me and you can walk go down there. Debbie, big up yourself. Mad love and respect here.
All the time, bro.
Nice. So yeah, man. Slim Lane, Curatoe Hill. Nice eco vibe.
Maybe I got work. Come on, Alia.
But yeah, man, I just a vibe, man. Place cool and nice, man. Cheese and peace. So massive one of the reasons why I say I have to Deja so is that I have to talk about Deja. You understand? We want to turn up our music career the right way. When I get used to her and I check her out, man, bad singer. And I say she released a song with Tarrus Riley called Rude Boy.
More coming.
You understand? Fear ends them how she grow up and thing, you know what I mean? But you don't say Canadian still, you know? You're born Canadian, but you know what thing go. Once a Jamaica, you hear that? Oh, you mean?
Come my mother there. Yeah. Jamaica.
Yeah. Me and you need to go all a vibe, man. Me I tell you. I'm gonna have some real fun.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Jesus.
Oh, some of them land if you all are selling, bro. Some of them land if you...
family.
That me I say, man.
Nobody not really come in and can't get it like that.
Then nah, let it go. So I say most people in them place and know them one another. Everybody know everybody. Yeah, man. I hear that, you hear bird, you see dog, you see fowl. Rooster. Curatoe Hill. You know where we run so remind me of a little bit like Colbeck.
Like where?
Colbeck,
District up in a whole lot up there, so?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because around there, so I normally grew up and I say normally have that like a vibe, yeah. You understand? Yes. Down there says a dead end. Nice piece of vibe. Oh, she sell bleach and anything there. Super nice.
Yeah.
Really a soldier them in a man.
Yes, master, I don't know want to watch us push for them. If even I was slide down, then out the door, watch it do.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, walk down the road now.
Yeah, I do that. So yeah, I go walk. Come in. So both some last big up before me cook. I know so I go left right so I go finish the walk.
First of all, you know we have to big up God. How we are any with God.
Right away.
But to see my daughter Deja, my bossy song with Tarrus Riley, I want to go listen and subscribe. Because I hear one, I'm going to hear about her, you know. Yeah. I'm a little Canadian artist, I call her Jam Can. You see me? Rude Boy song name, I'm going to go look it up. I remember say Jamaica walk by there everywhere.
Everywhere.
So you can subscribe to him too. And talk up the things them. You see me?
That?
You hear me say? Jamaica walk by there everywhere. So subscribe on YouTube.
No joke.
Respect every time. Enough love. You see me?
Man love. So take it easy and be safe here.
Yes, right,
so we link up again. See me when me done video me I'll show you.
Yes, cool.
Man. So yeah, massive, I don't know. We are gonna walk, go down to which I can walk, go towards Woodley. You see me? I realize, man, but I don't know me live for this. Soon come back, man. Trust me, an easy walk. Yeah. So, just to show you one nice subtle vibe on the channel. Some place and many of you never see yet in a Jamaica, you see me? As we just take a look at time and go through Nice energy. Big up to Diane. She tell me say she did a Jamaican thing. So she always say, yo, forward up on my ends, man. She always say, forward up on my ends. And thing. So me just do it today. Surprise her a little bit. Slim lane. A majority of these places you don't know are one entrance in, one way in, one way out. And everybody know everybody them place. Yes, man. Manners. Yeah, man, big up again, you know. Soon touch him back, you know. See. Yeah, man. Greetings. So we're back on the journey, you know. We're back on the journey. Not even talk about the ball field over here. So, no, the ball field over here, so youths them play them ball and hold back a joy, hold back a energy. You see me I say? Yeah, because without this in our community as youths, you know, man. You know, I'm another way where you free up your brain, you know. Like me, love the ball game. Yeah, I must. Yeah, if I could have play ball every day, I play ball every day if I tell you the truth. That's how I love it. You see me? But unfortunately, most of we have to work and all of them things, so we don't get the time for it. But you free up your brain cell them and them could think that, you see me? Have back a joy. So big up all the youths them from Curatoe, we play them soccer and bust them ball game, you know what I mean? Saddle and pile, man, and day things, you know what I mean? The whole works. See, Slim Lane. Big up our Slim Lane massive. So I'm going to tell you about the church. I see church here. This is the church my auntie them go and thing. Yeah, my auntie and cousin them go. Refuge Temple. Curatoe Hill. You know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. So alright, I know see that direction they will forward from. And we take the left turn now. So we're gonna make a stroll go down the road. You see me? Like I go towards the Woodley Sports Complex, but in a Curatoe Hill side. And this is the square. You see it? Alright, so make we go through. Take a look at time and go through. We're not ready to close the video yet. I hope you enjoy the vibe and thing. It's not all about the major cities them and town every time. I have to show some place where the people them live and you know me show everything. uptown, downtown, roundtown, crosstown, up in a one corner, down in a one part. You understand? Yeah. So I can see as we just go through a little bit. Yeah, teacher. Yes, Godfather, manners. Big bad mechanic shop up there, so. Yeah. Place is cool and nice. Really nice energy me I get from here, so. Tell you God truth. Remember, Jamaica walk by, just for informational purposes, you know what I mean? We just walk through communities, showcase a natural vibe, a natural livity, the way a place look, you know what I mean? For so many persons who actually never seen the place can get a chance to see them place here. And who not seen it for a long time can actually get to reminisce and remember the memories and all of them things in the community. You see me? Cause even though me I walk it, me I get a nice vibe like when me used to go spend holiday and them thing there in a Colbeck with friends and family. You see me? Always a nice experience and that vibe that me I get. You know what I mean? And to me, there's no greater time like in your childhood days. Cause them time there you go buck off your toe and do all of the badness. When you become of age and know the right from wrong, you know really do them something there again. The fun get less. Because you're more skeptical now with life. You know what go on. You know what I mean? You know all I do's and don'ts them and also. You know really play a game like that again. You see me? Yeah? That is it. So we just have to take the time and move through. And this is the first time for me walking them places. I actually drive past. And I say you get a different energy to see it like this, especially when you're moving slowly. Like when you walk, when you drive, you don't really get that experience there when you drive. Come like everything pass you by. But when you actually walk it, you get to see it, man. Cause in my eyes, it feels as if I never ever pass through them places, and I pass through here so a couple times well throughout my life. But let's go. I know many of you wonder where this road going, but you see. Probably I hear some car shot past and them thing there. Moment of truth coming up. Alright. So now over there upon my left is actually the highway. You understand? And you see that sign there right in the corner there, so see there? Woodley Sports Complex. This is where you drive, go to the Woodley Sports Complex down there. And then up there, so now, you don't know, you have the bypass like you go towards Glenmore Road and all of that. So you drive down there, so go Woodley, don't know which are the truck show keeper there, yeah. And then now you have the nice pretty road there. Yeah. And you go up to the main. So the main is not far, just up the road up so. So now go just end it up there. One can see exactly which part the part you come out. Yeah man. You can see the toll. See the toll road there. Piece side right, that's like a piece of bridge. See one car just pass. Come on no man, Jamaica beautiful no man, look good. Oh my. Beautiful country we have. Should have a piece of one of them locked up on the hillside there so. Curatoe Hill. So big up to everybody who actually watch the entire video, you know what I mean? One love and respect. You don't know. Wanna make Jamaica walk by great. Trust me. Just wanna say respect to everybody who watch my videos them. You know what I mean? I might not do all on the vibes yes videos. Are the best videos them about Jamaica and thing, but just try to do some different thing from time to time. You know what I mean? People want to see everything about Jamaica, so I'm just try my best to showcase Jamaica on a whole. Probably not the sweetest place we want to see, but I still Jamaica. And Jamaica walk by. We walk. Me pen massive them big up now man. All Clarendon massive man. Yeah man. We almost reach. I wicked still. You know look it. What? If you not look good. Me did the way below the highway. I know me the way above it. You know, so one nice little grade. Why yo? Can feel it. Yes. We're almost at the top. Been a great walk. Big up to Diane. Big up Deja. Big singer Deja. Yeah. Now see me drop a couple clippings of her. Our song will be in the description below. Please, my beg gonna give Deja support. You know what I mean? Check out our music. Bad singer, no joke. Girl can sing a fret and then full of vibe. When you see her mother full of vibe and thing, yeah, at them that. So I see a sign there, right across the road. See what the sign say? Maypen, 4 pass, mineralite, sandy bay. I see which way the arrow them turn. Yeah. See the next sign here. Tell her what we're there. Oh, damn bad. Big up everybody. I'll watch the video then. See? Boy, it's been a while. So you know one of the hardest part you know. And for me, if you go find my way. But don't so. I'm not too seeing a car run past or so like that. So I don't know how we are gonna do it. See somebody has sell up here, so I just walk go to up at the general here. And see if I can figure out a way how to get back. Weird manners, bro. To get back a hill foot. And which taxi? Yeah, teacher, respect. Oh no, Jamaica walk by walking videos. Yeah, we just walk on video. Alright, bro. So I ask if I come here, me do. I said no. Man, I drive on this road so much, I realize I saw it's steep. Blow! I can feel it. General Passas. Morning.
Some people them do them can't get down.
Godfather, I hold a rock and pinion in my knee mash up. I said that line steep. Yeah. Kind of small juice you have here. Jamaica walk by, you know. Manners and love. Yeah, man. Yeah. Sell me one of this. How much is this? $2. Yeah, I normally see and say. Yeah, look to stop, you know. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I'm not there, you know. They're way up on the mountain.
Yeah, gonna hustle again.
No, man, my sister live up there and call me.
Oh,
Then I say I'm going to marry. I'm telling you, I'm just crazy.
Say my boss.
Say I'm going to buy my jacket suit. I'm telling you, I'm on a boat.
Well, wear your jacket suit, man.
I say I'm going to daughter, I'm begging to buy a boat. I'm on a boat.
Me, you can jump in a jacket suit and your pretty shoes and go with me and name some food.
Tough, you know?
I'm good with that one, man. Yeah, man, I'm good with that one, man. Put on the jacket. My friend, I beg you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You watch YouTube? Yeah, man, Jamaica walk by. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Yeah, please subscribe to it there. We are going, you know? Yeah. Oh God, Father, what if I sit there and sell, man?
I'm not innocent, not yet. A little bit of sickness, no?
It's a little bit of sickness, though.
Innocent, not yet, man. A little bit of sickness.
We just...
Yes, so slow. You know, when we start...
I know, sir, to be honest, you know, I pass a couple times, you know. I say, I know some more, but most of the time when I reach close by, I see it now, and I pass, I say, blows, and I'm trying to tap some bison for drink, you know.
Yeah.
It's not about at all, you know, cause...
No, man, you eat food. Me would just look there's back in the door there, the people shame and pride to come to the road. Me have a liquor pack up in a city. Me would just buy bottle. High stock come contact, big job, bed bank come contact, juice bank contact, bread bank contact.
Yeah.
Liquor truck come contact, boy, they come one day and want to right up on the hill for we have come on here.
Yeah, man. Me like this one, because me tell you, sir, it get used to me now. Me I get used to it now, because what they when me pass it, I say, no, say, me know about this spot good you know. So, me start bend my mind for up myself, with a swing left, to come pull up on your foot and get support. But see me in the ball and walk, you know, and still end up come over to come buy yourself a drink. You see me? So man has a love, go with the man and go enjoy yourself.
We had 2 girls in school and live in Canada.
Yeah.
I hope that's what school back in
What can I do?
I had a 42, I have a 43 July. My daughter has 16 plus, they graduate up in Canada. My grandboy has 7 plus.
You're a big man, man.
Canada born, granddaughter and granddaughter, and grandson.
You're a big man, man.
How will you believe this? Big man, I look man.
Me don't say, me don't go say about, since you say all of that, me don't say about 60, 63.
You get 2 twin and when you're 63, you get them.
When you're 63, you get youth?
No, my breed man 2022. And breed man 2022. And the girl them born in the entire year, 2023.
Okay, no.
I got Canada, them at 3 years around 3 months around 3.
Okay, now want this man.
How much tell me say when you're
You say how much you know?
60, you almost get to the quiet. 67.
67?
Yeah. 1958 man.
You don't know money enough?
No, 1958 man.
You don't know how blows.
Can't say she want to buy all that you tell me she not focus but my mind feeling the kind number to have me pay for that. And they man are real big man I said come right for the pay for them.
Yeah.
I'm why I say I'm going to do this. My daughter when I'm telling me get me visa 10 years time now book my blood clot here come up there. First never travel out there.
Sweet.
Not Toronto.
Is it nice?
Oh they put you clean as but I know what I want to live them, I have to have money and I work. Please, you know, get the employment of them.
Yeah,
no,
yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I told you. Nice, oh, good job.
No country pretty and clean.
Yeah, man,
everywhere clean.
I saw them. Me never go Canada yet still, but me hope we go there go just to see it.
Me not even like Jamaican can qualify can go there and see.
Yeah.
When you people say clean, a reality clean.
Clean.
Alright, every yard clean. Like say you have to do it and just clean. Boom, one city clean.
Yeah, everywhere clean.
Clean and pretty like money.
And cold.
No man, I know it's cold. You ever tell you police come on. They say they want to come back with experience.
Yeah.
Every beat like that, when the winter come on, you have to put it on the front tire.
We have a chain tire, man. There's a snow tire, winter tire, and this in there. Yeah, man.
All dumb down, I go, don't get put it up, bomb. They put Batman and dumb. The mother show me, see Batman in the road. And dumb, they will never keep Batman party. They have a security. Batman party. But you know the last time I Canada.
Why be not chopping them? We don't visit them. They don't get see where. See, I'm blind here and them. No, I feel them place, so don't visit them.
No one.
See, I just go in and come out.
Look how we are.
God. Take it easy, man. Big up and respect. Hear that?
Yeah, man.
Jamaica walk, man.
Yeah, man. Jamaica walk. 3 months we do it.
3 months. I love it. Was a plane ride sweet? You sound like me when time you go for the first time, sweet! Yeah, dog! Plane fast!
But I want to the plane though.
Yeah!
I want to come back from this and gotta be sweet. But life and death
Life and death!
So it's when the company side here, down here and there. Be sweet! That's what be sweet.
Hey, me on top of your football after that, me I got reason. Yeah, man.
9th of the month of my birthday.
9th of the month, yeah. You come by and drink.
Yes, man.
See? Blessings and love. Hear that?
Family, man.
Figure that, man. Big up.
Big up.
Me know say you're cool. Me probably that a long time, you know, man. Yeah, sure, man. Heart I love me, man. Yeah. That is it. Yeah, boss, if you stop and support him, they're full of vibes, your friend. Yeah. Right road, that's all. We there, you know what I mean? Like you go towards Glenborough Road. You see me, and 4 parts in place, but you know we are going to do it right. So blessings and love to everybody who joined the video. Respect our manners. Me I going to figure out my way, you know, if you get back up down a hill foot and thing back on a mineral lights. So you see me, one love, blessings, and until next time, wow, good. You see me, big up and respect to everybody on Jamaica walk by. See, figure that outside with it.
Where my love is at? Run the anytime you need me, baby. I know you like it like this. And when I kiss you on the lips, I'm your love that. Call me anytime you need me now, baby. I'm anytime when you're ready for the bump and grind.